for joining us at Drone Expo 2026. We are so glad to have you here, and we are excited to know about your experience at Drone Expo 2026. We'll start up by a couple of questions. Please introduce yourself and say about your company to us.
Hi, I'm Sandeepan. I'm from Infycons. We have been into the spatial and geospatial industry for more than 25 years. This time in Drone Expo, we actually launched our new product called AutoTerra. So, which actually caters to particular data which has been collected from drones from different source. It can be a LiDAR data, it can be a photogrammetric data, and then we provide the solution where the user can actually create a final output out of that kind of data and make it a reasonable informative solution. So we cater not only to mining industry, we cater to geospatial industry, we cater to infrastructure industry, and anything which relates to information when it comes from a huge data set to a manageable source of data where later for infrastructure development they can do processing.
That's nice, sir. Which heroic product are you showcasing today at Drone Expo 2026?
Can you repeat your question?
Which heroic product you are showcasing today?
We are showcasing AutoTerra
Okay,
Spatial.
that's nice.
As I mentioned, we have launched this product in Drone Expo itself.
That's nice.
And I would also like to mention that this is the only product in the entire South Asia having this kind of capabilities.
That's great, sir. In your views, which is your greatest strength that keeps you unique from others?
As I mentioned, we have been an innovator company for many years, and this particular product actually caters to lot of professionals who are consuming the data on a regular basis from drones, from other sources like LiDAR and other sensors to make a meaningful and informative judgment to get into realistic scenarios, whether it comes to considering the finding of volumes or to find the contours or to do another analysis. So we are unique in all ways actually.
What message would you like to share for your potential customers, visitors, and individuals who are exploring your booth, sir?
I would like to share a message that uh, after you do your collection, see how your data can give something back to you. Use this product.
Okay. That's so nice, sir. Thank you so much. And I hope you have a great experience at Drone Expo 2026.
I'd like to add something else also
Yeah,
regarding
yes.
Drone Expo.
Yeah.
Actually, I had a misconception. I thought that there would not be much, people who crowd. So I thought, okay. In fact, I didn't print my visiting card also, thinking that there will be hardly any crowd. But I was really very impressed with the kind of quality people coming and giving lot of good feedbacks and also showing a lot of interest in this kind of products. And I think Drone Expo is a very successful platform.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
And we are bringing it again in the month of September in New Delhi. Would you like to participate again?
Yeah, but actually, there are some other expos also of drone nature in the month of May or June.
Yeah.
So we are thinking whether because Drone Expo at Delhi only there are two Drone Expos very short time. So we are exploring whether we should be at Drone Expo, because the other one is also something related to drone, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
So yeah, probably.
Thank you so much, sir. Nice meeting you.